Kia ora, good morning. Local news for Monday, the 9th of March. Former nurse Dr. Janice Wen and early childhood teacher Brady Hibberley will receive special awards at the UCOL Wairarapa graduation ceremony near the end of this month. Dr. Wen will receive the UCOL's highest honorary award, the Honorary Fellow Award for service to Māori health over a career that has spanned more than 6 decades. Wairarapa farmers, Kate and Michael Toswell, are creating a new story for New Zealand wool thanks to a bit of Kiwi ingenuity and an eye for design. In a bid to bring rural into urban homes, they've diversified their farm and created Hippie, a collaboration of local craftspeople creating sustainable, ethical and luxury homewares from the wool grown at Bankshot Farm. Whareama will host an emergency earthquake and planning drill on Wednesday night. Held at the school, the evening will help identify local resources which could be useful in an emergency and share ideas about responding to challenges and how to be better prepared for an emergency as a household and community. And Roland Smith took out the Golden Shears Open final Saturday, claiming his 7th title. Vinny Goodyear defended his wall pressing title and Joel Hanare won the wall handling. For local news and sport, kia ora, I'm Brent Gare.